Hi there, Christy here, and in this video, we're going to talk about why we would start with Clickbank as an affiliate marketer. Being an affiliate marketer means that you're promoting other people's products. Clickbank is the first place to go to because it's a digital marketplace with many different varied interests. And it is so easy to find a product to promote inside of Clickbank. The other advantage of starting with Clickbank is the links that you apply for are instantly approved. The other advantage of going with Clickbank as an affiliate marketer is they pay out commissions every 2 weeks like clockwork. They'll send you a check in the mail or do a direct deposit. Not all affiliate marketplaces are as dependable as Clickbank. That's why I would highly recommend that if you are new to affiliate marketing, that you begin here. The first thing you would do is to register for a free account. You would do that by going to clickbank.com, written here, and it would just be clickbank.com. You go to the tab that says Create Account, and you would simply create your account right here. You fill out your personal information. You choose a nickname, which is going to be inside every one of your money links. And just remember that when you sign up to submit this form, your account nickname can never be changed, but your password can. And you can reset your password anytime you like. You would put your payee name, and then later on it's going to ask you how you would like to be paid. You have to agree to the client contract. You have to check that you sign in red, and this is something new that I'm seeing on many affiliate sites, that you check I'm not a robot, and you just have to verify their screen capture, and you submit your account registration, and that is it. And then we will move on to the next video. Thank you, and I'll see you there.